In this 3-minute video, I'm going to talk about the intersection of data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, a little bit about the applications of data science and machine learning, and how the data science and machine learning models are deployed so that artificial intelligence can be used in business settings. So, to start with, in our course, we are going to talk about data preparation, visualization, and some machine learning and data science algorithms like KNN, K nearest neighbors, decision trees, and even linear regression based learning. So, data preparation is about cleaning the data, getting rid of the null values and missing values, data visualization using things like matplotlib in Python. We will be studying about that also from the basics, and we will also talk about making these models of decision trees and k nearest neighbors. Basically, at using past data, we analyze the situation considering our knowledge of the business setting and do predictive modeling and analysis. So predictive modeling is key in data science models, and we can detect things like fraud. The final project in this course is about fraud detection from a data set of credit card transactions of a bank, which is a data set that is publicly available, and we will analyze the data set to find out which transactions are fraudulent and which transactions are normal transactions. So this can all the data science and machine learning models can also be used to give recommendations in e-commerce websites based on past data. More advanced applications are in natural language processing using deep learning, and in computer vision, where sensors are used to input data, and deep learning and reinforcement learning is used to understand the environment and make decisions. So finally, the process of building a model is, first you need to have some business understanding in which domain you are using this, and then you need to understand the data, prepare the data by cleaning it, getting rid of null values, missing values, then choose a model, optimize it, and then evaluate it. So how a model is made is, you have a training set and the model is trained based on past data, and the data we have is split into a training set and a testing set, and the model is trained using the training set, which is usually 75 to 80% of the data, and then the model is tested using the testing set, and then after that, if everything is okay, we make a confusion matrix and test for precision, accuracy. I'll be telling you about all this in detail in the course. After that, the model is deployed. So even if you have absolutely no knowledge about data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, we will start from the very basics, and we will learn to code in Python based on you having probably even no knowledge of coding in Python, but we will use Google Colabs and get you up to speed so that your level of understanding of artificial intelligence reaches a very high level using data science and machine learning. I look forward to seeing you in the course.